All right, so this is my application cluster manager. Essentially, this is a tool to use natural language to manage many Kubernetes clusters. For example, if you have edge nodes that have their own clusters, you might end up with hundreds or even thousands of clusters, right? So what you can do here is you have an authenticated portal using Clerk, and you can upload kube configs. You can name them, for example, US West Edge 3. You can put an optional description. Let's say this is my edge node cluster, and you can choose a kube config file. Here I'm just going to choose one of my production clusters, and then this is an invalid file, so let's put a proper valid file. And once that creates, you'll see it shows up here. If we refresh the page, you'll see that it'll pull all of it, and it'll also pull my cluster assistant chat history. So this cluster assistant has information for all of our edge nodes. Right now, this shows unknown, but it does have information about that node. So what we can do is we can say, for example, out of all three of my clusters, which one is operating the least efficient? This will use kubectl commands, and it'll also have some context of the cluster about its pods, its registered nodes, and in the future, this can easily be adapted to install, for example, Helm charts, any Helm chart upgrades. We can add a context of the GitOps deployment. So we have an issue right now with US West 2, which was actually my cluster here. And it gives some suggestions and recommendations to fix it. So this is a great way for people in DevOps to kind of accelerate their productivity. Thank you.